happens. When I log into my Stream Elements, this is what I see. For whatever reason, this isn't always working. But I go to the sidebar here. I go down to chat commands, click, custom commands, click, add a new command. And this is, I type in the command here. Don't need to play with anything else. Type what you want Stream Elements to put in, right? So I'll just go Van Vita for fun, just to show you guys again. I'll do my whole name. No reason to be dropping this on my channel, but I'm just doing this as a straightforward exercise for you guys. So I'm going to type checkout Van Vita Travels. I'm going to put on YouTube. I have to now go to find mine. Actually, I think I know it, but it's just easier to do it this way. So I'm going to search Van Vita Travels, click on the channel, then go to the very top bar here, highlight it, copy it, go back to Stream Elements, and paste it in the command. So my link is exactly as it was, activate chat command. Now I am going to type it in here. Enter. Let's see if it comes up. I should cut this down and make a little short. And there you go. There's Van Vita Travels, the link to my YouTube channel in Stream Elements. So that is what I have for all my channel members. And it looks like it's working.